When you go through hurt, when you go through loss, when you go through pain, God allowed it because He can trust you. Woo! Amen! Inalaw ng Lord, hinayaan. Pinahintulutan niyang pagdaanan mong masaktan ka. Kasi alam niya na kahit nasaktan ka, hindi ka mananakit ng iba. Amen! Na kahit nasaktan ka, hindi mo sisisihin ang iba. Hindi mo sasaktan ang sarili mo, kundi tutulungan mo ang iba. Tutulungan mo yung mga nasasaktan. Tutulungan mo yung nahihirapan. God knows that He can trust you. That you take the same love. That you take the same forgiveness. And help others who are struggling. Amen? Alam ng Lord na hindi mo ikakasira. Kaya niya inalaw na pagdaanan mo. Dahil nakita niya na rin na ito ay para sa ikalalakas mo. Para sa ikabubuti mo. Can you say amen? And sabi ni Paul in 2 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 4, he comforts us in all our troubles so that we can comfort others. You've been through that trouble. Why? Because God trusts you. That you can comfort others after you've been through the trouble. Can you say amen? Sabi niya, when they are troubled, we will be able to give them the same comfort God has given us.